Okay. Okay, this hierarchy table not that much important, don't worry. And attributes, whatever we added, okay, that attributes will come here. And compounding. Last one is compounding. Okay, this is also important generally. Example, assume like we are loading data from multiple source systems. Okay, this is source system one. That I mean ECC one, ECC one. I have a ECC2 as well. I have a S4 HANA 1. I have S4 HANA 2 and Oracle as well. Oracle as well. So in this case, we are loading data into one info object. We are loading data into one info object, ZZ We are loading to ZZ When you are loading data, the CCC and ECC2 and S4 HANA, S4 HANA 2 and Oracle, all data loading to the judgment. How you will recognize? Oh, ECC1 data, how you will recognize, and ECC2 data, how you will recognize, and S4 1 data, how you will recognize. So this independently we need to recognize. Okay, so in this case, we cannot recognize when you maintain the compounding, then you can recognize it. How you will recognize it? Okay, we need to add as a like no this. Let me double click. Okay, in the general tab itself will come. Here will come. Don't confuse. This is BW1 HANA or BW4 HANA. Okay, here in the old version, in this level, compounding will come. Just keep on go to edit mode and add it because it is a BW1 HANA. I cannot add here, so here only we need to add. Okay, go to add, go to edit and add it. Okay, so I'm going to add which object I'm going to add. So I'm going to add system, source system ID. Okay, I'm going to add source system ID. This means whenever I load data, this is source system. We call as a this source system. This is source system. This is source system. Okay, this is source system. Okay, this is also source system. Because data is storing in this level. We are loading this different region data into one jet material. So how we will identify after maintaining the compounding object, then you can maintain it. Okay, easily to track. I just added logical system ID, source system ID. So if we load here and I can easily identify because the material it will show like no, okay, this data you loaded. Okay, I easily identify that one. So let me add here from where you done it, Z, right? Let me go on. I will load the data for this. You will try to understand. So if someone asks you what is the use of this one compounding, you can tell them we are loading data from different systems. That time we will do like we will maintain the logical source system as a compounding. Then we can recognize the okay from which system it is coming, from which source system, which reason data is coming. You can easily identify that. Okay. Now go here. Now I will execute the detail. So now how many records came? Zero recursion. Don't know why it is not updated. Okay, already records are available. Okay, let me check. Okay, okay, we'll see here. Back. Now go and check the data in the RSD1. Go here. And now see after maintaining this compounding, I can able to see green. Okay. And now I will go and I see in P table. See now here, this is logical system. I added in the compounding. This is added as a superior key. Okay, this is a superior key. You can see here superior key, superior info object I added. Okay, then just go here and you can see the system name. Double click and go to content and execute it. 23 records we loaded, right? So the system name in the real time will come. Okay, we say ECC1, ECC2, okay, S4 HANA 1. So this material is coming from S4 HANA. This material is coming from S4 HANA 2. This material is coming from ECC 1. So like this, we can easily track it. Okay, got this point. So large scale system will behave like superior key. This will topmost info object. Compounding. Compounding is the topmost info object. So generally we'll say this is like no attributes. So for attributes, this is the parent. So for everything, this is the parent logical system. In this case, logical system means compounding. For everything, this is the parent. Okay, in the real time, like no, so like this will come. In the file, we didn't maintain logical system, so that is the way we are not getting that. So generally it will come. So in this way, easily we can track it. If somebody will ask you in the interview, what is the use of compounding? By using compounding, so I maintain compounding as a logical system. We are loading data from multiple regions. So to avoid the duplications and to track the which data is track the which system data we are loading. Okay, so we can easily identify based on the logical system. And one more example is Rajasekhar working in India. Rajasekhar working in India. That guy employee ID is 101. Okay, 101. One more Rajasekhar also involved. Okay, working in same company. That guy working in US. Okay, that guy employee ID also 101. This situation will come. Okay, but regions are different. So when we don't have this, can we identify this one? No. When we don't have location, then we cannot identify which Rajasekhar. That guy is from US or India. Okay. So in this situation level, we will maintain location as a component. We will maintain location as a component. So then we will get the unique data. If we don't have location field, then it will be duplication. So whoever working in US, that guy salary I'm sending to this guy. This guy salary I'm sending to this guy. Because I don't know. Based on this location, we maintain this as a compounding. Then we can easily identify this guy. Okay, this Rashekar is coming from India. This guy from region, US region. So it will give the unique data by using compounding. Okay. Very important. In the out of 10 interviews, they will ask you what is the difference between display attribute and navigation attribute and compounding as well. Okay, these two interviews. And one more thing, I want to show you one more thing. While you are creating info object, Here, let me show you. Example, I'm going to create, I'm going to create this info object. I'm going to create this info object. So they will ask you interview question. This is what is the difference between reference and template? While create characteristic info object, what is the difference between characteristic and template? Reference characteristic and template. Okay, assume this scenario. Reference, reference and template. I have a zero customer. I have a zero customer. Zero customer is defined by SAP. By SAP. By default, this length is 10 and this data type is char. Because SAP is defined it. I have not defined. So I want to create same property of zero customer. I want to create new customer. So I'm trying to do the same thing. I will give like no customer and here I will give zero customer. Okay, I'm giving zero customer. I'm using reference. See here, click on OK. Okay, let me check. Star and I will check customer. I have an object term. Okay. See here, by default 10. So I cannot able to change it. Can you see here? Reference characteristic this customer. I cannot able to change here. I cannot able to change length because this is ready made. Already it is there. CPD customer. And just activate it. So whatever the properties are available already, the properties will assign to just this info object. In the back end, table names also same C1, CPD, customer only, not us. If you go to master data, so this relevant, these tables are from relevant to this only, not this table. Okay, all are created like no T customer only see, not Z customer 05. Okay, so compounding, we didn't define it. Okay, client also defined for this one. Whatever properties are available for this, all will reflect to the customer. Indirectly, see, we didn't load the data. Even if we have any data, it will display. So in this case, no need to load. If you load to the customer, it will come automatically to the jet customer as well. So we didn't load, but already somebody loaded to this info object. The data it is showing. The data is showing. Okay. Whatever we have data, this data will show for this one. This is only mirror. Okay. Because we are not giving any data type and length. In the future also, if you want to change, we cannot able to change. See, this is the reference. Reference means we cannot able to change the data type and the length. Data type and length. All will come from the zero customer. And I will try to do it one more thing. Jet plant. Create already exist. I will give name. Create. Okay, now. So I'm taking like this one. Okay, fine. Start. Okay, I will take this one. Now see here, when I take template, I can able to change it as per my requirement. I can change my length also. It is enabled now. In the earlier, when I take reference, I cannot able to change it. Now I can able to change this data type and length. Minimum is data type and length. So if I remove a length, it will throw error. See, when I click and check, it will throw error. What it is saying? The output length is not allowed. Okay, info object enter type and length minimum. Type, data type, length. We need to give the length at least. Otherwise, it will not activate. So if I give for, see, it is not dependent on this one. Okay, here I don't see reference or template. Okay, this is template now, so I don't see here. Based on your requirement, you are going to create it. In the future, if you want, you can change the data type and length for this one. You can make it as your flexible based on your requirement. That is called template. So by using this, we can able to change the length and data type based upon your requirement. So you can tell the interview also what is the difference between reference and template. By using reference, we cannot able to change the data type and length. By using template, we can able to change length and data type in the future also. Clear? Huh? This is very important in the interview. Out of 10 interviews, they will ask you 8 or 7. And compounding as well. Compounding. And display and navigation. Navigation attributes. These are very important. Okay, if you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, I will show you this all with example. Now only I will show you with example. Okay, I'll create one Excel. Material type. Material. I will take this as a material. Material type. Material type. Material group. Material group. Material group. And your logical system name. Okay, system ID. System ID. Okay, in this I will give FF, flat file, FF. So metal group is MG1, MG1. This is MT1. Okay, like this I will give M1. This M12, M3. So like this I will give. Okay, MT2. Roughly I'm giving, okay, MG2. Okay, I will give same system because I am loading same system and save it. While you are saving, you have to keep it as a CSV format. CSV format. Okay, I will give compounding. Compounding MD. Okay, close. And then go to here. but for this only I will load it, okay? For this only I will load it. Okay, now I will select the file as different, okay? Okay, sorry. I'll do one thing. I need to create one data source as well because logical system is not there in this data source loop. I'll go here. Okay, source systems. Where exactly we are loading? So we are creating here, right? I will create, not here where is to create. Go up and yeah, here I used to create it file. Right click and we will create the data source. I think you already know all these tips. I'm just covering it. Okay, jetmat underscore CP. That means compounding. I'm trying to explain what is the display between this display attribute and navigation attribute. Okay, display and navigation attribute. So let me close this one. Okay, we have taken these fields on. Okay, and now preview. So don't feel like when you click on read preview data, just we are activating the data source. You can see here, data source does not exist. Okay, you feel like no, this is just a preview only. This is the columns and okay, you will come to know only structure, not storing data physically. This is just structure. Don't think it is storing data physically. Okay. And where is our object? So once you create as soon as data source, we need to create the info package. Remember this point. Okay. So I'm loading complete data. In the real time, I will give full and delta like this. Okay. Go to schedule, click on start. See, always I'm telling you, you are loading data from ECC or S4HANA or flat file. You need to click on start only. Start means it will bring data from source system to BW. Source system, in this case, source system means Excel. Okay, in other cases, start means ECC. In other cases, start means S4HANA. It will bring data from there to BW. Where it will keep? Once you click on start, where data will store? PSA level. Go to manage. And here I can able to see, you can see right PSA clearly. Don't confuse it. If you have any doubt, just ask me. And go here. This is PSA maintenance. So PSA maintenance level, you can see the data for 10 records. What kind of data we loaded? This data only we loaded, right? Okay. If you have any doubts, ask me. I will tell you 100 times. Okay. Now we created this one. What I will do, I will go info provider. Okay. I'll create like no new path. Right click and I will create the transformation because to other data source I need to map it. So select the data source. Whichever we create a data source, this is only right. And regularly we are using this data source only. That is the way I'm giving it. Click here. See, it's mapping here. See, material to material. Okay, logical system to logical system. So when we load data for the material, that time we saw logical system is blank. So this time we'll see, okay, metal type. Okay, this time we'll see exactly what kind of data we are loading. Okay, and here I will go better. I will drop all the data here. Okay, already data is available. Let me drop because we already loaded to this master data. I will delete. Freshly we'll have our data. Okay, now fine. Okay, now I will create one DTP. So for our flow only, see here, which flow, which is our flow? Click on this. This is only right. Select our flow. In the real time, multiple flows would be there. We don't require all. We don't require all. So now here extraction mode is okay. They will ask you, we are creating DTP and we have a extraction mode delta and full. You can select full. So it will bring data from PSA directly. We already loaded to PSA. When we execute the info packet, data will store into the PSA. This DTP, it is bringing data from PS to info object. Just execute it. Just try to understand the concept. So the might be you will not understand last 2 days. At least you will get it today. That is why I'm repeating. Okay, go back. Now I want to see the data. So now go to master data and click this bus. Go to this one and now execute it. Can you see data? Yes, you can see data. This one. You can see this data. Okay, now you can see logical system, right? Even if you load multiple times also, I can, okay, this M1 material is coming from this system. Okay, now I will execute one report. I will go here. Where is this one? I will create one more report. Go to sheet definition. I'll go here and drag and drop columns. Okay, I will see here Z material, right? I'm bringing Z material here. Material type, material group. See here, you can see material itself, hash 199, hash 219. That means, hash means there is no value. Okay, go below and go below. Now you can see, right? FFFFFFFF. I already drag and drop material, so I will remove this. Now you can see this material is coming from where? This is superior key, logical key we mentioned in the compounding. We mentioned in the compounding. Are you getting? So why it is displaying FF and M1? Okay, this material is coming from this source system FF. Might be in the real time FF would be there, S4 would be there, ECC would be there. You can track easily track in the report level as well. Wherever you are using material, I can able to easily identify this material is coming from this region. Now you're clear, right? So what is the material type? So I'm trying to drill down this one. Okay. So when you drill down this as well, okay, when you drill down this as well, in the real time, okay, don't know exactly it is not working here. It will always, it will, material also will come. Material ROH, material ROH, like this it will come. Okay. When you drill down metal group, so individually it will come. Okay. Individually, it will come metal group, but metal type it will not come. Always it will come. Okay, here it will display the records would be like FFMT9, FFMT8, FFMT7. Like this, it will show. So we already using compounding. That is the way it is not displaying. Okay. So like this same, it will become for display attribute as well. When I remove this one, and material type also will remove automatically because this is display attribute. Material type also will go away. Okay, but somehow it is not working. Okay, so material type is always depending on the material because this is a display attribute. Navigation attribute wherever I can involve them. Okay, and where is this material, right? Attributes. Okay, let me do it. Okay, go here and I will remove this one material type. I'll remove this. I'll remove material type. I'll bring it. See here, what is happening? Here it will come because this is display attribute. Because this is display attribute. Now you can try it. Okay. Execute. Okay, sorry. Now you can see like no the material type can go below material type, and even if you remove also. Okay. Remove drill. See, when I remove automatically material also going. I removed material, right? Material type. See, I'm trying to do. Where is material type? Go back and execute it. So material type is coming. When I drill down material, material type is coming automatically because it is a this one because it is a let me right click and drill down, remove drill down. So now it will go material also. It is always depending on the main parent. If you drill down material, material type also coming. Are you observing? I don't see material type in the left side itself. So not like that metal group. This is navigation attribute. It will not depending on the main info object. So you don't want to see this result for every record. You can go here and select metal group and you can do it. Okay, always never and save it. You won't get that option. Okay, this is kind of interior question. Execute it again. Okay, tomorrow onwards I will start DSOs. Okay, and I'm telling you, uh, Day after tomorrow onwards, I will try to take 2 hours. Okay. Is it fine to you? If you confirm, then I will take 2 hours, 3 hours also.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, okay. We'll cover it. So, like, see here, I'm trying to remove metal type. See here, observe it. Metal type is a display attribute. See, it is going out. I'm drilled down metal type. See, that will come alone because this is a like navigation attribute. It will come alone. It will not depending on the main info object. So when drill down material, it will come material type as well. When I remove material type, so it is always depending on the parent. Okay, are you observing this? So this is what I want to explain you. And this logical system always it is coming. See, when I drill down material, you can see my logical system as well. See where logical system. Here you can see right. Sorry. So MU1, M2, okay, there you can see for material level logical system it is coming. Okay, remove this logical system. Now you can see the material level itself, the material itself, you can see it. Now you can see FFF, logical system name also will come. And if you don't want to see the results as well, you can keep this as well. This is how it will work, okay? So compounding info object, the say whatever I explained you scenario that you just go it, okay? In the real time only I'm telling. If you go in into tell that one, then come and ask me why it is wrong and all, okay? If they say, okay? And the same thing, display attribute, navigation attribute, transitive attribute also same. The display attribute will use for only display purpose and it is always depending on the main info object. Whereas navigation attribute, it will not depending on the main info object. It will have own tables. Okay, I can use mainly this navigation attribute for drill down purpose in the report level. This is the report. I am using navigation attribute for drill down purpose because it will come alone. It will not depending on the main info object material. When I remove material type, it is going away. When when I remove drill down material, so it is going because that is depending on the main info object. Okay. When I remove this, when I drill down material, so compounding also will come. See, this compounding is coming. This FF means what? FFM1 means what? FF means logical system ID. Compounding. M10 material. FF means what? Compounding. Don't confuse. Compounding. M2. Compounding. M2. Even data also you can see it here. I'll show you here also. Okay. See here, same. Wherever you drag and drop material, it will come automatically because this is superior. Okay, na? In the interview also, you need to explain like that. Okay, ma. From tomorrow onwards, we'll go for DSO, transactional data. If you have any doubts, just make it and send.